How to redeem a Lyft promo code. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to redeem a promo code on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto U button at the bottom, select it. Then here you can find rewards right here, tap on it. Then here you can find enter code plus, just right here, select it. Now here you can find the enter promo code. Now simply add the code just like this and tap apply. And if valid, the promo will appear under your active promotions. You can view your active promotions in the promos section, where details like expiration dates and usage limits are displayed. And that's it. This is how you can redeem a Lyft promo code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.